Today is day number 1 right here. I just want to show you guys the actual date, and this is why I love live events, because you can't fake it. So in case anyone's wondering, oh, this is fake, come check out the date. I'm a huge fan of UFC. They just announced this fight, Deriller, UFC Vancouver, 1 day ago, and they just dropped all of Marlon Cheeto Bear finishes 9 hours ago. You guys see the date, October 13th. You guys see it? Monday 13th, Vancouver, Riddler versus Allen. This is my weight. Let's check it out. Here's my physique. That's me. Oh man. Back shot. Right. One more time. Yes, I do already have some foundation, but I do have a lot of extras I need to lose. I know there's gonna be a lot of people, oh, he's already built. Well, no duh. This isn't me saying I'm starting from zero. This is saying me, I'm rebuilding. So, that's all that. Let's check it out. Boom. 154. Let's go. Let's go get it. Let's go. Welcome to the program. Let's fucking go. Didn't want to be here today, but I still showed up. This is the part right here where I rebuild. This is fuel for the body, not reward. When I say discipline is the only thing that survives chaos, I mean it. So these first 7 days has been crazy. And let me explain though. So this week right here, this first week when I decided to start this program was midterms. And I had exams back to back to back. Papers due. I still have to do regular homework. Still have to do this program, this challenge, all the other, personal responsibilities that we have in our lives. And it really, really tested me. So for those that don't know, I'm actually going back to school. I'm going to college. It's my last year. I should be walking next semester, but it's been 20 years since I've been back on campus. And, since then, I haven't really tested myself mentally to see where I'm at, to see if I'm able to retain information, to see if I can retain the information, apply it to different concepts, and still get a good grade on these exams. Now, one of the tests I had, it was 10 chapters. 10 freaking chapters that I have to fit in this little pea brain right here. Another one was 6. Another one was like 4 chapters. Still had a paper due, still have homework to do. And that was earlier this week on Tuesday. But leading up to it, to the exams, which were all on the same day, 2 early in the morning and then 1 in the evening, it made me come to realize, like, damn, it gave me a newfound of respect, like sense of respect for students, at least the ones that are really trying, because it took me everything to go ahead and get like the exams done, and I feel really well. I feel really good about these tests and how I performed. Now, I ended up staying up for last several days before leading up to the test, to the exams, until like 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, cramming so much information to my brain. And you got to remember, I have school the very next morning, so even though it's like I sleep at 3, I had to wake up, roll over, and take the test. And that really, really pushed me. Now, you got to also keep in mind, beyond the studying, there's also the daily tasks that I'm doing for this challenge, all my other personal responsibilities. I still got to shop, I still got to work out, I still got to, keep maintain my relationships. There's a whole plethora of things that we have to do, and through it all, when you set your mind out to do something, and you tell yourself you have to do it no matter what, it's a whole different mindset. And it was actually through the discipline, knowing that I have to do this no matter how tired I am, how exhausted I am. I feel so proud of myself coming out the other side. So I do have a little bit of downtime. I have some exact like tests coming up again soon, very soon, within a few weeks. I still got some papers to do still, so it's not like it's an easier break. But at least I can have a little bit of leeway to focus on this program, make some more content, and just keep doing what I'm doing. But yeah, man, this first week of discipline, getting myself back into like the mode of just getting gritty in the mind was something else, because I haven't felt this much pressure and being tested like this in a long time. And for those that know, that have been at the bottom and really pushed themselves out of a dark place, they understand what I'm talking about and what it entails to actually be successful and accomplish the things that we say we're going to do. And that's what this week felt like. Like I was literally up against the wall, and I had to put everything into my willpower to accomplish these things. But it was only through discipline that I was able to accomplish all these daily tasks. So I look forward to the rest of this program. If this is how week 1 is going to look like, oh man, I know it's going to be an uphill battle, but I'm ready for it. I'm more than capable. So I'm gonna keep documenting. I hope you guys keep following me, and you guys already know what time it is, man. It's always program time, and we always got to get gritty. And you already know, if you never test yourself, you never know really at where your heart's really at. And with that being said, man, it's the hard way only. So yeah, man, I'll see you guys next week. Hope to see you guys there.